So how do you know if KitchenCrate Tops and Splash is right for you? Well, KitchenCrate Tops and Splash is our newest product and was made possible by the 2021 acquisition of AAI Tile and Stone. This acquisition brought countertop fabrication and tile in-house and allowed us to offer a really cool, smaller new product for customers. So KitchenCrate Tops and Splash is really meant for customers that don't have any needs when it comes to cabinet refinishing, flooring, or lighting. Really, it's just tops, backsplash, and new plumbing at the sink area. So here's how the projects work. On day one, our crews show up and we do all of the protection of the home. So dust control, floor protection, all those types of things. We then demo the old countertops, backsplash, and plumbing and get ready to template for the new custom countertops. We then transition to working at our fabrication shop, so no one's on site for the next few days. Our crews then come back and install the new countertops and sink, the new backsplash, and then all of the new plumbing fixtures. This product is perfect for someone that wants to enjoy brand new tops, backsplash, and plumbing for decades to come. So scroll on down to read all about this amazing new product that we have here. And also, go ahead and schedule your phone consultation by clicking the button below or giving us a call at 888-995-7996.